everything was once a whole. And at some point, that changed. The universe expanded. There was a beginning to space and time.
Big Bang Theory is a theory about the origin of the matter of the universe.
I don't know, maybe like a sci-fi movie where everything just sort of like crystallizes and forms together.
Maybe it's a former universe who's collapsed onto itself and then exploded.
One of the things we keep trying to tell people is get away from the idea of it being an explosion where things are actually going away from an empty center.
It's like baking a cake with raisins in it, where when you bake the cake, the dough rises and all the raisins get further apart from each other, and there's no particular center to it. It's just that every raisin gets further apart from every other raisin, and the dough that's expanding is like space. Space is expanding. 13 billion years ago, the universe was an incredibly hot, dense ball of fire that was expanding rapidly, and it was very simple, very smooth, and all of the complexity that we see around us today comes from the way that the universe expanded and cooled from that initial Big Bang.
The stuff that makes you up right now, you know, the molecules in my brain that are allowing me to think, I mean, my very being, these are particles that were formed in the Big Bang. This is where you physically came from. This is where all of matter came from.
We live in an amazing time in which, in the past few generations, we finally understood the basic overall history of the universe.